Bismillah. Let's begin today's production. All systems are ready.
Only approved timber. Loading complete.
Debarking complete. Move to chipping. Wood chips ready.
Continue processing.
Pulp formation stable. Maintain pressure. Pulp is clean.
Approved.
Fiber quality is excellent. Continue refining.
Paper quality is improving. Check for closet.
Whitening process complete. Paper sheet forming perfectly. Maintain production speed. Moisture level is perfect. Drying completed.
Everything looks perfect.
Production systems online. Premium paper is ready.
Yes.
Send it to the printing department.
Premium paper has arrived. Moving it to inspection.
Quality standards confirmed. Approve today's materials.
Paper feed is stable. Bismillah. Start printing. Ink quality is perfect. Bismillah. Fill the printing system. Printing plates aligned. Calibration complete.
Test print looks excellent.
Miswak production.
Approved for production.
Registration is accurate.
Production speed increasing.
Alhamdulillah. Full production has begun. Everything is running smoothly. Drying temperature is stable. Proceed to inspection. Every page meets our quality standards.
Inspection is complete.
Sorting completed successfully. Excellent precision.
The print quality is excellent. Approve the production batch.
Pages are ready for binding. Bismillah. Continue production. Folding accuracy confirmed. Continue to gathering. Page sequence verified. Gathering complete. Binding is secure. Excellent craftsmanship. Cover preparation completed. Ready for assembly.
Alhamdulillah. Assembly completed. Proceed to finishing.
Press cycle complete. Excellent alignment. Excellent alignment.
Edges are perfectly trimmed. Approved. Embossing completed.
Beautiful craftsmanship. Surface is perfectly clean.
Ready for final inspection.
Final inspection approved.
Alhamdulillah. Send to packaging.
Gift boxes are ready. Continue packaging. Packaging is complete. Excellent work. Every package verified.
Ready for warehouse.
Warehouse inventory updated. Pallets secured. Check the manifest for Jeddah. Confirmed. All 30 pallets loaded securely. Export documents verified. Bismillah. Approve shipment. Shipment verified.
Proceed to loading.
Container in position. Ready for loading.
Loading first pallet.
Maintain perfect alignment. Cargo secured successfully. Prepare the security seal.
Security seal installed.
Shipment secured.
Alhamdulillah. Dispatch approved. Dispatch approved.
Truck cleared for departure.
Safe journey. Heading to the logistics hub.
Morning. I've got the manifest for the Shanghai shipment.
Thank you. Everything seems correct. You're cleared to enter. Unloading complete. Move to inventory.
Alhamdulillah. The delivery has arrived.
Please verify the shipment.
Arrange every copy neatly.
Display completed.
Your shipment has arrived.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you. Please place them in the resource room.
I'm just like,
Delivery confirmed. Catalog updated successfully.
Thank you.
Jazakallah khair. Thank you for visiting.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Excellent production today. All targets achieved. Cleaning completed.
Machine ready for tomorrow. Everything looks perfect.
Approve the facility. Systems are safely shut down. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. See you in the next factory documentary, inshallah.